Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Spela Hernandez and I'm a licensed esthetician and a holistic skincare developer. How do we best transition to a new season skincare? Fall is just around the corner and we need to adjust our skin routine based on the weather that we are living in. So, summertime, hot, humid, feeling like we need to exfoliate more, we need to hydrate a little bit less or with a lighter moisturizer. When the fall comes, it's very important to first take care of the sun damage that we accumulated over the summer. If you don't get right on it, it's gonna just stay there and year after year it's just gonna accumulate. So it's very important that you address that, and if you did get different spots on different areas, make sure you address that. So the best and most natural way to go about the brown spots and pigmentation, whether that's melasma, sunspots, different situation, liver spots, anything that it is, Spalina's Epidermal Repair Serum is your best friend, because this will restore any damage and boost your skin metabolism. It will even out the skin tone. It will calm down the inflammation, because pigmentation, it's a form of inflammation where melanocytes are out of balance and they keep working very hard to produce more melanin, and we have to calm them down to give them the message they need to stop. So this is the most effective natural way to fight your uneven skin tone. In addition to the epidermal serum, in the fall, to get rid of the pesky brown spots, we need to use antioxidant line diffusing serum. This is a form of vitamin A, comes in retinaldehyde form that doesn't cause skin sensitivity, peeling, and other effects that traditional vitamin A serums do. Just a reminder, vitamin A serum is more known as retinol and retin A, but this formulation is different. Still the same ingredient, but delivered differently, so it doesn't cause the side effects that traditional serums do. So vitamin A, very important. You want to target your pesky brown spots. Those two are the way to go. Another thing that is important in the fall is that if you were on vacation and you didn't do your exfoliation as you should, Crayon Glow is your best friend. Every 3 days you have to exfoliate your skin if you want to have a healthy glow. If the skin is clogged because of the dead skin cells layer combining week after week, you have to slug that off first before the serums can penetrate into your skin. So don't neglect exfoliation. If you feel dry, that is a sign that your skin has multiple layers of dead skin and it's not penetrating anything you're putting on. So you first have to digest that in order for the skin to be able to absorb. Different ways we can do that is, one way is the Crayon Glow we just mentioned. Another way is to up your Mandelic 5 serum. This is a great boost of exfoliation for the nighttime. Apply 3 times a week and it will help you digest all this dead skin cells. Another great way is the Lilac Treatment Toner. This is a very nice toner to boost your immune system of your skin by slugging off the top layer that's just sitting there. This is not an everyday toner. This is a few times a week. You still need to have a regular toner, but this is just a helper to keep your skin exfoliated but not stripped down. The key is, when you exfoliate, never over exfoliate. You have to find the balance. That's the key. Then another thing that you have to make sure is that in the fall you nourish your skin. So if you have been outside a lot, you feel like you got some damage from the sun, environment, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. We deserve to have some fun, but make sure you use your stem cell serum. Stem cell serum is the best boost of growth factors and stem cells to the skin. So it will help your natural rejuvenation process. So you have to have this serum in order for you to recover from the summer. But of course, first you need to exfoliate. And then if your skin is desiring a little heavier moisturizer than the summertime, that would depend on your skin type. You need to have a different nighttime moisturizer than the daytime. Usually a little lighter for the day and a little thicker for the nighttime. Fall is also a great time to visit your esthetician. I tell my clients, if you are one that doesn't go and have facials every month, you have to have it every season change. That is the least you can do for yourself, for your skin, because every quarter your skin needs to be professionally treated, exfoliated, nourished, get an evaluation to be on good track and to keep your healthy glowing skin going. Fall is a good time, like the winter will be, like the spring is, and summer is. So don't neglect yourself, invest in yourself. This is your self-care. Skin is a living organ, it's the biggest organ of your body, so you don't want to neglect it. It's easier to prevent and maintain than it is to treat when the problems are already there. So if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when the new video is released.